guys, welcome back to all again on my YouTube channel Tricky Physics with Sandeep sir. And today we are going to discuss about how we convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, guys. So you know very well that about galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device which is used to detect the small amount of current. Detect the amount of current in an electric circuit. So by using galvanometer, we design an ammeter today. So guys, how we design a ammeter using a galvanometer. So this is the galvanometer. This is the symbol for galvanometer, and here in this circuit we also use G as a resistance of galvanometer. Resistance of galvanometer. So in this circuit we use galvanometer, and we used a battery here of V volt, having V voltage, and if we want to convert this galvanometer into an ammeter, so what we have to do? So guys, we connect a small resistance parallel with the galvanometer called shunt resistance. This small resistance connect in parallel with galvanometer to convert it into ammeter. It is called shunt resistance. S is said to be shunt resistance. So guys, come here. If I current अगर यहाँ से I current बन के चल रहा है, then this current divides into, as you know very well that in parallel arrangement current divided. So this is Ig, galvanometer current, and this current is I minus Ig. In the current which comes with shunt resistance, जो करंट हम गाइस ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि जो करंट शंट रेजिस्टेंस के हिस्से में आया है, दैट इज I minus Ig. Here guys, so as you know very well that in parallel arrangement voltage remains same, potential remains same, but current divided, as you know very well. And you also saw in this arrangement, in this circuit arrangement, this is Ig galvanometer current, I minus Ig is the resistance, I minus Ig is the current जो किसके हिस्से में आया है, वो शंट रेजिस्टेंस के हिस्से में आया है गाइस. तो दैट इज I minus Ig. As you know very well that potential is same in parallel arrangement. So potential for galvanometer, that is Ig into capital G. As you know very well, Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So Ig is the I of current of galvanometer, and capital G is the resistance of galvanometer. And for about shunt resistance of shunt resistance is S, and current is I minus Ig. So from here we can find the value of shunt resistance. S is equal to Ig into capital G upon I minus Ig. This is the value of shunt small resistance. This is the value of small resistance which we connected with this galvanometer to make it an ammeter, to make it an ammeter. Here guys, and if this becomes an ammeter, so the net resistance of the ammeter is means net resistance of the ammeter becomes, as you know very well, these both two are arranged in parallel arrangement. Both these two resistances are arranged in parallel arrangement. So you know very well from the 10th class concept, 1 by R net resistance in parallel arrangement is 1 by R net is equal to resistance of galvanometer 1 by G plus 1 by resistance of shunt resistance 1 by S. And after taking LCM we get GS, and here S plus G, and R net becomes equal to Gs S upon S plus G. So this is the resistance of the ammeter we have obtained by connecting shunt resistance in parallel with galvanometer, guys. So guys, thank you for this small video, and support my channel, and subscribe my channel, watch my videos, like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.